everybody, and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio Rampage email is down below. And my Master Manifestation Workshop, where you can learn to quantum jump to your celebrity, where you can learn to master manifesting your celebrity in 30 days or less. Bootcamp is down below. And today I'm going to be doing a rampage on celebrity SPs, whether you want a relationship, friendship, business partner, whatever you want. A lot of people have been asking about this lately, about manifesting celebrities. So here's a rampage for you. You are now in contact with your celebrity SP. Your celebrity SP is so obsessed with you. They love you. You guys have exchanged phone numbers. They follow you on every single social media platform. You are their absolute favorite person. They are always talking about you, posting about you, and taking you everywhere. You are going to so many events because of them. Your life has completely expanded because of them. You have so many opportunities. You are getting the best connections just by being around them. They love you. They treat you like family. You guys are traveling together, shopping together, eating together. You are the main character of their life. They are absolutely obsessed with you. You are the celebrity to them. They love your presence. They love your aura. They love your energy. You and your celebrity SP are best friends. You are everything. You are best friends. You are soulmates. You are business partners. You are family. You are every single thing that you want to be with your celebrity SP. You manifested your celebrity SP so easily. Manifesting celebrities is the easiest thing to do. Manifesting celebrities is the easiest thing for you to do. Manifesting celebrities is second nature to you. You are so good at manifesting celebrities. You are so good at manifesting every single person that you want. You are in contact with your celebrity SP. They absolutely adore you. Your status has increased. You are exactly the person you want to be. You have your celebrity SP in your life. You love the adventures you guys go on. You love being their best friend. You love that they love you. You love that they take you everywhere. You love that you are always going to award shows with them, going to sporting events with them, going to business meetings with them. You are their right hand. You are their number one. When people think of the celebrity, they think of you two being right next to them in anything, with everything. They call on you for everything. You are the first person they tell good news to. You are the first person who knows any and everything about them because they are so obsessed with you. They are constantly calling you, constantly texting you, constantly reaching out to you. You and your celebrity SP are absolutely meant to be together now in the best way possible. You and your celebrity SP are together in the best way possible. It is everything you ever dreamed of. They are the exact person you thought they were going to be. They're super nice. They're sweet. They're loyal. They are respectful. They are caring. They are exactly who you want in a friend, in a partner, in a business partner, in a person. You guys connect and click so instantly. Everything is so natural. You never have to worry about anything. They love prioritizing you. They love just sharing their amazing life, their amazing wealth, their amazing connections with you. When it comes to you, you are the number one in their mind. They manifested you. They desired you. You are the celebrity of your reality. You are the person everybody wants to be friends with. You are the person everybody wants a relationship with. You are the person everybody wants to manifest, wants to connect with. You are the celebrity of your reality. You are the main character of your reality. You are the operant power of your reality. And that's why you manifested your celebrity SP so easily, because you are the main celebrity of your reality. Anything you want, you get to have. Anything you want, you deserve. Anything you want, you are worth it. Anything you want, you are calling in now. You and your celebrity SP are in full contact now. They're in your life now. It is the best relationship ever. Congratulations. That is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed manifesting celebrity SPs. Piece of cake. Walk in the park because it's you. Because when you want something or someone, you get it instantly just like that. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.